Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade sorbet using the comfy slow juicer slash ice cream maker. Guys, I love this machine because it looks so pretty. I love the color, and I especially love the fact that it has like a wide nozzle that is so big that you can actually drop in an entire apple without having to cut it up. It is awesome. So if you want to learn how to make this homemade sorbet, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So for today's sorbet, I'm going to be using some frozen bananas, frozen berries, and some Greek yogurt. So there really isn't anything special about this. Just add your fruits to the ice cream maker and let it churn and do all the work. But listen, guys, if you really don't have an ice cream maker or a sorbet maker or a juicer like I do, you can actually make this in your food processor or even your blender. Okay, so don't get hung up on the machine, even though I love this machine, but you can actually use your food processor or even your regular blender to do this. So I'm adding my bananas and my berries and the yogurt in an alternating fashion just to make sure everything is properly mixed in there. And if anything gets stuck, just use the attached plunger to just push the fruits in. But I found that I really did not need it. So this is what it looks like coming out of the ice cream maker. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. So once I'm done making my sorbet, I'm just gonna smoothen this out and cover it really nice and tight. And I'll be placing my sorbet in the freezer for about an hour or two just to get it to firm up and make it easier to scoop and present. And this is what it looks like in the end. So beautiful. So I'm topping it up with some toasted coconuts just to add some texture, and guys, it is amazing. Okay, this is perfect to serve when you have guests over. It is an amazing replacement for ice cream. Just look at how creamy and how thick my sorbet is, just the way I like it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. You need to try this one, guys. You need to try this one. And when you've tried it, let me know in the comment section down below. And if this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video. I love you all. See you guys in the next video.